How to use To-Do application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily use your To-Do application on your Android device. So first thing first, simply head over to your To-Do application, and from over here just make sure you're signed in with your Google account or any other Outlook account. So when you get to this interface, you can simply click on My Day to add different type of task for to complete in a day. Just like this, you can add any task like this and simply click on this, and when you have completed that particular task, you can simply click on that particular task and it will be marked as completed. So that's one way to use your To-Do application. You can also mark any of this assignment or task like as a primary, which means it is important to you. So it will have a different section called important, and it will be seen on the that section. So you can also plan different things out during the weekend, just like that. And you can also see, if you are working on a group or organization, you will see the task assigned to you specifically. So you can see all of your tasks. When you click on continue like this, completed, it will be transferred to completed section, just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily use your To-Do application on your Android. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.